Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Let me tell you a truth most people avoid. More money does not solve financial problems. It exposes them. That's why some people earn more and still struggle. The issue is not income. Fire its capacity. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Chart with upward trend the wealth capacity expansion. This explains why wealth only grows to the level you can handle, manage, and sustain. Medium white star section 1. What is wealth capacity? Wealth capacity is your ability to manage larger sums, make disciplined decisions, control lifestyle expansion, sustain growth under pressure. Money rises only to safe containers. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people can't hold more money. Most people. Crossmark increase spending with income. Crossmark lack systems. Crossmark panic with large decisions. Crossmark confuse upgrades with growth. Crossmark lack financial maturity, so money leaks back down. Medium white star section 3. The wealth capacity expansion model. Fire. The wealth capacity expansion has 4 capacity layers. Layer 1. Mental capacity. Patience, delayed gratification, emotional control. Weak mindset shrinks capacity. Gear # Layer 2. System capacity, budgeting systems, saving automation, investment structure systems hold weight. Layer 3. Lifestyle capacity, controlled upgrades, sustainable expenses, realistic comfort. Lifestyle inflation kills capacity. Building construction # Layer 4. Responsibility capacity, obligations, dependence, long-term commitments. More money equals more responsibility. Medium white star section 4. How to expand your wealth capacity. Keycap 1. Practice discipline at current income. Keycap 2. Build systems before income rises. Keycap 3. Delay lifestyle upgrades. Keycap 4. Simulate higher income management. Keycap 5. Expand responsibility gradually. Capacity must grow before income. Medium white star section 5. Signs your capacity is expanding. White heavy checkmark. Calm with larger sums. White heavy checkmark. Disciplined spending. White heavy checkmark. Stable lifestyle. White heavy checkmark. Confident decisions. White heavy checkmark. Income stays longer. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money does not ask how much you want. Fire. It asks how much you can handle. Expand the wealth capacity expansion, and income will naturally rise.